Hi everyone, this is Tiasan, the admin of the Wiki Trading Room. I come here to answer a few questions which was asked by a lot of people randomly. So I decided instead of answering everyone, it's better to make a video and to put it in front of you. Actually, the thing is, the people asking me randomly, Vicky, do you think these templates, indicators, or analysis, or the NACO trading price action, or whatever maybe the stuff we are using while placing the trade, if we use those things, is it really gives us profit? Suppose if your answer is yes, then tell me then why still people are struggling in making the profits. To answer this, this is not an easy to answer the best, but I will try my best to explain what I feel for that. I want to tell you one thing, the person who have good knowledge about reading the candles and how the markets, the person can capable to identify here the market is falling down, here the market is rising up. So what will happen means he will take the help of the programmer who will do the coding while making these templates in MQL4, and the latest version is right now is MQL5, but still maximum people using MQL4 only. Okay, anyhow, the trader, experienced trader will take help of the programmer, and the programmer will code it as according to the person instructions. Means suppose if the market, I mean the experienced trader will tell them like that based on the previous movements. Again, the upcoming market also will reach the same height level. Then we expect the market should come down. So like that, the experienced trader will give instruction to the programmer. Then the programmer will code it as same. I mean, once the market reaches the certain height level, automatically you will see the alert signal to take the entry position. But the thing is, even though if we take the entry position, sometimes we won the trade, sometimes we lost a trade. But the maximum times, most of the people will getting losses. I want to tell you one thing: while we taking the trades, we need to consider the candle time frames. Means we know that in our MetaTrader we have M1, M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, weekly and monthly. I mean different types of categories of time frames was there. So while we taking the time frame, we need to consider that particular chart with comparable to the higher chart frames. Then only we can find whether the entry is good or not. But whereas this indicator do not compare like us, they will just give the entry position based on that particular time frame what you are looking on that particular situation. Means what I was trying to tell you here is these templates was just like a boat. I mean they do not have brain, they do not think like us, they do not compare the time frames with this particular time frame chart with remaining time frame charts. But we are the humans, we can think and we can able to compare this particular time frame chart with the remaining time frame charts, and we can take the best and we can easily identify whether the setup is good or not what we are looking in the existing setup. So to get that best experience, I mean to know how to identify those setups means then definitely must and should we need to have good experience in reading the candles and analysis. Everything should be considered. Then only we can predict the movement is good or not while comparing the existing chart time frame with the remaining time frame. So in a very quick way guys, what I believe is yes, of course these templates strategies really work, but we blindly do not depend upon it and we need to see something behind the scenario. I mean we need to compare the existing chart with the remaining time frame charts, then only we can say whether the setup is good or not. We simply looking the single time frame chart and we just believing the signal and taking the entry position means there is no use. It's like kind of what I feel, it's a kind of like gambling, I feel like that. But whereas and I mean whereas the trader, real trader does not single come in with does not stick to the single time frame chart while he want to take the entry position. I hope this video helpful for us. Finally, one more time in a very quick way, just compare the time frame with different time frames and try to take the best entry positions with your analysis, but simply don't depend upon the signals which you get on the particular chart time frame when you are watching that. Thank you so much. I will come with another video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.